How to tie a tie in 10 seconds? 1. Start with an X. 2. Go behind. 3. Across. 4. Out from behind. 5. And finish by pulling it through the loop in front. The next one is how to tie the classic Windsor knot. 1. Cross over the wide end of the tie over the narrow. 2. Bring the wide end from behind between the collar and the tie. 3. Put the wide end underneath and bring it again between the collar and the tie. 4. Put the wide end in front across the narrow one, and pull it again underneath between the collar and the tie. 5. And the finishing part, slide the wide end inside the loop in front. 6. Tighten the knot. Now I hope your life in this sometimes mad and partially funny world is going to be easier. Thank you for watching. Keep your ties tight when needed.